So in this video is for NEET 2022 aspirants. I've been conducting Zoom call daily with students, and one thing which I'm getting is everyone is scared of the fact that they did not study in class 11. Can they manage both class 11th and 12th in 1 year? And I want to tell you, yes, you can manage. One thing which we are doing to help you with that is we are going to provide you 6 additional mock tests to revise class 11. Let me explain you how you can manage. First of all, keep it in your mind, you have 48 weeks remaining in NEET 2022. If you assume that exam is going to be conducted in May. Okay? Now you're going to ask me, sir, how do you know? Can you tell us when exactly exam is going to happen? No one knows the answer to it. But you can keep a target that you will try and finish your syllabus by May 2022. Second thing is you have 96 chapters to complete, 50 chapters of class 11th and 46 chapters of class 12th, right? I'm not saying you have to finish 46 chapters in 48 weeks. I'm saying you have to finish 96 chapters, 50 chapters of class 11th and 46 chapters of class 12th. So 96 chapters, 48 weeks, 2 chapters every week or 4 to 5 chapters every 2 weeks. Why I'm saying 4 to 5? Your summer vacations are going on right now and you can study a little bit more. If you study 10 to 11 hours a day, you can study around 147 hours in 2 weeks. Go to the link given in video description, in which there is a video of one of the Zoom call I did today with students, and you would be able to understand how this 147 hours came, because your summer vacations are going on. Majority of the places schools are not happening right now, right? So these 4 to 5 chapters, keep 3 chapters of class 12th and 2 chapters of class 11th. You have to keep focus on this. You cannot ignore it. Please guys, understand this. Whatever happened, happened. You could not study properly in class 11. No one was able to study properly in class 11. Things were tough because of COVID. But whoever is not going to worry about what happened and is going to focus on whether he would be able to complete the syllabus in remaining 40 weeks, 48 weeks in NEET 2022, he would be able to get selected in a government college in 1 year and not have to drop for NEET 2023. So to help you focus, we are providing these 6 additional mock tests. You can download this PDF from NEET Prep Telegram channel. We have uploaded it. We have also updated this test schedule in Inspire batch. We have also updated this test schedule in Inspire batch. And what we have done is we have kept chapters in a sequence that are also important from the perspective of connection to class 12. So motion in a straight line, motion in a plane, important basic chapters, some basic concepts of chemistry, you would use it in solution, structure of atom and cell. This is the first test, 20th June. Every 28 days, these 6 tests are going to happen. 20th June, 18th July, 15th August, 12th September, 10th October, and I think 7th November, right? So guys, start working. One thing which you know is, if you have joined Inspire batch, then you know that you have one option of target-based test. You have one option of target-based test. And what we have also done is, we have provided you these 6 additional mock tests. These are of class 11th, help you revise class 11th. Make this as a target so that you are able to write these mock tests, perform in them well, and you would be able to do it. But have confidence in yourself, guys. I've uploaded a PDF of this test schedule on NEET Prep Telegram channel. Link is given in video description. You can go and download it. It is also updated on your Inspire batch schedule of tests, right? If you want to meet me on Zoom, a link of WhatsApp number of Kundan sir is given in video description. Go there. And I've also updated one Zoom link video so that you can understand how all this thing happens and how target is set. But guys, have confidence in yourself. Don't worry. You can manage both 11th and 12th. 48 weeks, 96 chapters, you can do it. I want promise from you in the video description that you are not going to give up. You're going to try very hard so that you can have selection in NEET exam in NEET 2022 in first attempt. All right, students.